waking up 3, 4, sometimes even 5 times a night just to pee. Feeling that frustrating pressure in the bladder but barely a weak stream comes out. That sudden, urgent need to go, especially when you're not even near a bathroom. For millions of men, this is more than just a nuisance. It's a daily reality that steals sleep, causes embarrassment, and brings a quiet fear. What if it's something serious? I'm Dr. Isabel Lopez, a urologist with over 25 years of experience. And where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments and stick around because I have a surprise for you at the end. Over the years, I've seen how prostate issues silently rob men of their peace, energy, and confidence. Interrupted sleep leads to daytime exhaustion. Constant bathroom trips interfere with work, relationships, even travel. And worst of all, many feel too embarrassed to talk about it. But what if I told you there's a natural way to relieve these symptoms without the harsh side effects of common medications? A botanical extract that's been studied for decades and used by thousands of men with real success. It's not hype. It's science-backed, and today, I'm going to break it all down for you. It's called saw palmetto, and it may be the most studied natural remedy for prostate health in the world. But before you rush to buy it, there's something you need to know. Most men who try it don't get results. And it's not because the extract doesn't work. It's because they are making one critical mistake. In this video, we're going to explore what saw palmetto really is, how it works inside your body, and exactly how to use it the right way to get results. We'll also talk about the most common reasons it fails and how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting to notice symptoms or have been struggling for years, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Follow the channel so you never miss practical, science-based solutions for men's health. Now let's talk about why your prostate is making your life so difficult in the first place. Your prostate isn't trying to ruin your life, but when it starts to grow, it kind of does. The condition is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. It's not cancer, but it can feel just as disruptive. BPH happens when the cells in the prostate multiply, causing the gland to enlarge and slowly squeeze the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body. That's when the real trouble begins. Imagine trying to water your garden with a hose that's being pinched in the middle. The flow weakens, pressure builds up behind it, and the whole system struggles. That's exactly what's happening inside your body. The bladder has to work harder to push urine through the narrowing tube. Over time, it becomes overworked, irritated, and less efficient, leading to urgency, frequency, and even incomplete emptying. The impact isn't just physical. When your sleep is broken night after night, your energy crashes. You start to feel more anxious, less productive, even a little foggy during the day. Intimacy can suffer too, either from embarrassment or sheer exhaustion. And slowly, that frustration can turn into fear. What if it's cancer? Is this just aging, or is something worse going on? Now here's the sad truth. Many men either ignore the signs or turn to aggressive medications without understanding the root of the problem. Alpha blockers and 5-alpha reductase inhibitors can help, but they come with side effects like dizziness, sexual dysfunction, or hormonal imbalances. That's why a growing number of men are searching for something gentler, something that works with the body, not against it. This search has led many to natural alternatives, but not all natural solutions are equal. That's where today's focus comes in. A plant-based compound that may offer relief without compromising your health. But before we get to that, you need to understand exactly how this natural option works and why it's so effective when used correctly. Ready to meet the botanical extract that's been helping men take back control of their prostate health? Let's talk about the extract that's been changing the game for prostate health, saw palmetto. Derived from the berries of the Serenoa repens plant, this natural compound has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. But what makes it so valuable today is the modern science backing it. Researchers have found that saw palmetto interacts directly with the hormonal processes that fuel prostate enlargement. Here's how it works. Your body converts testosterone into a stronger hormone called DHT, dihydrotestin, using an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. DHT plays a big role in prostate growth, especially in BPH. Saw palmetto naturally inhibits this enzyme, leading to lower DHT levels, and in turn, helping to reduce or stabilize prostate size. It's the same mechanism behind drugs like finasteride, but with far fewer side effects. There's more. Saw palmetto also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help relieve pressure around the urethra. That means less irritation, better urinary flow, and fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom. It's not about masking symptoms. It's about addressing the root causes of BPH in a balanced, natural way. Unlike prescription medications, saw palmetto tends to be better tolerated, especially long-term. Most men don't experience the fatigue, dizziness, or sexual side effects that often come with synthetic options. That said, the benefits don't come overnight. It requires the right form, the right dose, and a bit of patience. Stick with me until the end, because what I'm about to share might truly change your life. And don't forget, I've got a surprise waiting for you at the very end of this video. Before we dive in, I want to share something special with you. I've created a 21-day challenge designed to help reduce and prevent prostate enlargement with simple exercises you can do in less than 15 minutes a day. Don't wait. Grab your copy of the ebook right now. The link is pinned at the very top of the comments. Now that you know what saw palmetto does inside your body, the next step is knowing how to use it properly. Because believe it or not, most men who try this supplement don't see results, not because it doesn't work, but because they are using it the wrong way. So in the next section, I'll show you exactly how to avoid those mistakes. So you've decided to give saw palmetto a try, but how do you make sure you're actually doing it right? The first rule is standardization. Not all saw palmetto supplements are created equal. You want a product that provides a standardized extract containing at least 85% to 95% fatty acids and sterols. These are the active compounds that deliver the real benefits. If the label doesn't clearly show this, skip it. Next comes dosage. The amount supported by clinical research is 320 milligrams per day, typically taken once daily with food. Lower doses may not be enough to produce any noticeable effect, and splitting the dose unnecessarily can reduce absorption. You need to treat this like a real treatment, not a casual vitamin. Consistency is critical. Most studies show that it takes 8 to 12 weeks of daily use to start noticing measurable results. That means no skipping days, no giving up after a week. Think of it as a long-term investment in your health. Track your symptoms and stay patient. Improvement often happens gradually, then all at once. Now let's talk about common mistakes. One of the biggest, stopping too early. Men often expect overnight results, and when that doesn't happen, they quit. Another mistake is choosing a generic or low-quality supplement that contains only ground berries or unverified blends. Without the standardized extract, you're just wasting time and money. Also, be cautious if you're on blood thinners or hormone-related medications. Saw palmetto can interact with certain treatments, so it's wise to talk to a healthcare provider if you're unsure. That said, for most men, it's well tolerated and poses minimal risk, especially compared to prescription alternatives. If you've struggled with weak flow, urgency, or restless nights, this isn't something to leave to chance. The next step is applying everything you've learned with discipline and intention. But what kind of results should you expect? And how do you stay committed? Join the Members Club. Drop a super like, follow the channel, and leave a comment. Remember, saw palmetto is not some overnight miracle. It's a tool, one that works best when paired with consistency, quality supplementation, and a commitment to long-term health. You won't wake up tomorrow with a completely new prostate, but you can start moving in the right direction. Give it a real shot. Set a goal, 30 days of disciplined use, at the right dosage, with a high-quality extract. Track your sleep, your flow, and how you feel during the day. You might not notice every change right away, but if you stick with it, small improvements can quickly add up. Your body knows how to heal, it just needs the right support. If you've tried other approaches and felt frustrated, this could be your reset. A natural alternative that works with your system instead of against it. Fewer side effects, more control, and a path toward lasting wellness. But again, the key is doing it the right way. Don't fall into the trap of low doses or inconsistent use. Take it seriously. Your body deserves that much. I've seen so many patients reclaim their confidence, their energy, and their peace of mind just by making this one change. It's not hype. It's not placebo. When used properly, saw palmetto can be a reliable ally in your fight for better prostate health. But it's just the beginning. There's more you can do, and more we'll cover in future videos. Have you tried saw palmetto before? What was your experience like? Leave a comment below and let's open up this conversation. Your story might help someone else make a better decision. And if this video brought you value, hit that like button so we can reach more men who need this information. This is just the start. Follow the channel and get ready for more natural, science-backed insights into men's health. From supplements to lifestyle upgrades, we've got a lot more coming your way.